What's going on? Happy Friday. We got a trade recap making 131 trading NVDA and Nike, minus some fees, minus some commissions, but that's the deal for today. So let us get into it. There's two things I want to get into, the two trades obviously, but Nike was intended to be a swing trade, but I decided to take the 42.50 loss and just leave it alone, and I'll explain why. So we are currently looking at NVIDIA. I mean, I just took this trade. I mean, two to one, right? What can I say? 2 to 1, simple. Stop loss under breaking candle low on the breakout. Very nice flag. Higher lows, strength. Broke out on volume. Great. Stop loss under breaking candle low. Very tight. Could have come back and got me, obviously, because that is a tight stop. So the win rate on this might not be 90%, it may be 45, maybe 40, you know what I mean? But that's okay when you get a 2 to 1. So that's just the stats, the numbers, just playing the strategy. That's it, simple. So could have made more on this one by letting it ride more. I just took profit to 2 to 1, simple. I just literally put the trade on, target, stop loss, put the phone away. That's it. That's simple. So made 173, cool. Nike was a loss. Let's get into that one. So here's the idea. Nike, this is more what I want to dive into a little bit more, because this one I might revisit later today. Who knows? Tomorrow, next week. We'll see. I had an alert set, and the alert went off this morning as Nike broke below $100, and I'm like, okay, cool. Nike broke below $100. Let's go for it. Let's take the shot. I waited 15 minutes and got in after 15 minutes because first 15 minutes of volume was the highest that I have seen on the first 15 minutes of Nike in quite some time. So I'm like, okay, the volume is good. At least starting off good, that's a good sign. The problem is that you just have a strong market. I think that's simple as that. It's not like, market's strong. Could there be other reasons? Yep, I'm making one up for sure, possibly. But, SPY goes to new all-time high today. We see new all-time highs left and right on the Dow, this, that. It's like, you're going short. You're going for a swing short. Yes, Nike's been weak. Yes, and if the market's weak, there's a very good chance this is going to be the best place to be for the short side. And it might be next week. It might even be, after I make this, it might go down and dump into the close for all I know, right? And so maybe it's there, but I'm sitting here saying, why am I going to fight the market? Why am I going to fight it? SPY is doing this and just going up. I'm not going to swing short over the weekend. No need. We'll reconsider next week. Here's SPY. Every dip is a buy. That's how it's been. I'm not saying that going forward. I'm just saying that's what it's been. That's the deal. So I'm going to go in here quickly and log this. So TradeZell, I'm going to go setups. This was a bear flag setup. It was on the 1-day chart, and that was it. If I jump back into the NVIDIA trade, this trade was a bull flag setup on the, you could say 5-minute chart. You can say 30-minute chart. I can tag it as both, and I think I'm going to tag it as both because you'll see why. I haven't been specifically using the 30-minute chart, but if you jump over to NVIDIA, here's the chart, right? Here's the 5-minute chart. Yes, but you jump to the 30-minute chart. That looks like a very clean bull flag to me as well. So I could see that too. So I'm going to put it as both for the purpose of this. I kind of looked at it on both time frames, and that's where the idea came from. Simple as that. So that's logged and all that. So far in the month of February, which we've only been trading for 2 days, we're up 313. Cool. Average win loss is insane, but that's because we have one loss on Nike. Here's the one-of-one account. We are still not. I haven't connected the other account, so it's just this one. We're currently at 25,557. About a fourth of the way, just past a fourth of the way to the profit goal, first profit goal, and so that's what it is. And it is an absolutely incredible day here. I'm going to get outside immediately, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Or when you watch this video, it's probably going to be on the weekend. Hope you're having a great weekend, and I'll see you next week. Peace.